Hey there, this is Melissa Zonin. I am the media specialist at Pope High School, and today I'm just going to show you how to get logged into Noodletools. I am going to warn you it's going to look a little bit different on my screen just because I am a teacher and I've logged in before, so it may look a little different for you, especially if you've never logged into Noodletools before. What you're going to do is from this screen, which is your Mac and Via, your Cobb Digital Library screen, you're just going to go up here to Resources and you're going to search for Noodletools. You can also get to it by clicking on the Databases tab over here. Once you get to Noodletools, just click Open Now, and it's going to take you to a login page. You are going to log in with your Office 365 account. So if you get to a page that looks like this, or it may just pop up with your Office 365 and ask you to log in, just always make sure that you're clicking the Office 365 option. You never want to click Google because that is not how we have our subscription through Noodletools, so you won't be able to have that full accessibility. So remember that your Office 365 account is your first name dot last name at students.cobbk12.org. If you're not sure what it is, you can always go into Student View under Account Information, and that will give you your login information. Your password is your regular Cobb County password. When you get signed in, it's going to take you, if you've never signed into Noodletools before, it's going to take you through a couple of questions where it'll ask you what school you go to, what your graduation year is, that kind of thing. Very simple questions, and then you're going to get to a page that looks like this. Because I already have an account, it doesn't take me to that initial login, so I can't quite show you what it looks like. But just know that if you have any questions about how to get logged in or you're running into any roadblocks, just contact your local media specialist at your school and they will be happy to help you get logged in. Happy researching. I hope you guys have a good day.